So the G-Shock has been started successfully, and now there might be a very basic mistake that you run into, which is you have created the copy of some open source organization, and now you want to fix a bug, and by this way you will contribute to this open source repository through this G-Shock. But now you have created the branch to fix a bug and you have added the commit, but you forgot to check out to the bug fix branch, and now all of your commits are on the master branch, and this is your local repository. And now what you want to do is you want to take these two commits on top of your bug fix branch, and you want to create and you want to push these changes to origin or the original repository of this open source organization, so that way you can create later on you can create a merge request. So this is the problem, and in this video we'll take a look at how we can solve this problem. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the solution of this problem is really very easy if you follow the way of soft resetting the branches or the commits, and that I have already demonstrated in my previous videos. So I'll make sure to add the link of those videos into the description box. Make sure uh, you can have time to check that video out. But we will not see that way, like we will not see how we can solve this problem by soft resetting the branch. Instead, we'll see how we can use rebase to solve this problem. And if you want to prefer the other way, like soft resetting the branches or the commits, so you can check the video, and I'll make sure to add the video of the earlier video, link of that video in the description box. So let's see how we can use the rebase to perform the solution of this problem. So rebasing, first of all, to demonstrate the rebasing in very general term, which is nothing but let's say solution of this problem only. So basically what rebase do is, let's say we have some feature branch and we have some main branch over here. So you have created a feature branch and you are working to create a feature, and these are the commits that you have did for let's say creating a working feature, and now it is created. So now what we can do is we can perform a git merge into the main, and which will merge these two branches, and this is the latest our what you can say software, which has all the contents from the main branch. With that, it has the feature which was created onto this branch. But what git merge will do is git merge will create a separate commit, okay, and separate what I mean by separate commit is this is not a user created commit. This commit has been created by Git itself, and what it will do is it will take a copy of a main branch and it will apply this commit on top of main branch, and that's how it will create a new commit. Okay, but instead what rebase do is, let's say we are on feature branch and we will rebase onto main branch. Okay, so what it will do is it will delete the feature branch, or instead what it will do is it will take all of the commits of the feature branch and it will see what was the origin commit of the feature branch. So from here it will go and take all of the commits that has been created onto the feature branch, and it will take it and it will reapply onto the main. So that way we have a clear history, and if you see, all the commits are now on top of main branch. And this is not just only for one commit. Let's say we have multiple commits on the feature branch, and now if we rebase on top of main, it will take all of those commits and it will apply on top of main. So this is the simple working of a rebase, and that we can utilize over here. So what we will do is, now if you see the changes that has uh, that has done over here, it was like the feature branch got deleted and it was reapplied on top of main. So now what we have did over here is, so we have applied wrong commits onto the master branch, but we cannot push this kind of history onto the main master branch, okay, of this open source organization. So to perform it in very precise manner, what, or not the precise manner, the cleaner way, what we'll do is we'll create a branch on top of master, let's say a temporary branch, and we'll check out to that temporary branch. Okay, and now we can replace this temporary branch onto Pubfix. Okay, it is as simple as that. So now we can hard reset this master branch on top of this commit. So these commits will be deleted and we have a clear history on this organization, open source organization, or we can say a remote repository. So first we'll go to bug fix, git checkout bug fix branch, bug fix actually, I misspelled the name. And now we can merge this into temporary branch, and now we can delete the temporary branch, and now we can go on top of master. Okay, git checkout master, and we can hard reset to origin master. Okay, if you are not sure this origin master was this perfect position for you to rebase, so you can just go and fetch the commit id also. So that's how you can what you can say reapply all of those commits that you have by mistakenly did on top of this master branch, or let's say some another branch. And now we can just successfully, okay, we can now go to bug fix branch and we can push. Okay, so see, this is how you can do or solve this problem. Hopefully you have got the idea, and if you have some another suggestions for me to build or to make a videos for this Git, or you have some problems and you want me to make the videos for that problem, for that particular problem on the Git, so let me know in the comment box. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you got the idea about how you can solve this problem. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.